here we have EGLD versus the dollar. I actually don't know I think it's Elrond. It's Elrond. Oh man, I saw him back in Lord of the Rings. He fucking kicked ass in Hobbit. Really, really great job there, Elrond. And in Lord of the Rings, he was, well, he did do the fortune and everything, but yeah, very good chart right here. Actually, 5-day closing on all-time highs. I imagine the weekly did as well. Yes, it did. Daily, daily little bit of a pullback territory right there, but this is just a what appears to me to be a healthy consolidation. So I treat this as a very healthy consolidation, especially as long as between about 285 and 250. I don't necessarily have an opinion on whether it'll test 250 again, but if it does, I do like that area. That also does imply that this is an invalidation point below here. Below 250, I would look for a deeper corrective phase down to about 220 to 225. But for right now, this one does act really, really well right now. Let's see what the 12-hour says. Any obvious signals right now? No. Do we have any bearish evidence? Possibly on the daily. No, I think the daily has one more drive here. Yeah, daily Jewel is still a hot year long signal, and daily BBWP is just cracking in the low like 90s right now. So I want to see this get up to about 95 percentile, maybe even 100 percentile before I do call a major high on this one. But it looks good. It actually looks good for what it's worth. Let's see what the algo target is going to be looking like right now. Yeah, okay, so we're consolidating between the 618 and the 414. That is to be expected on a breakout of the top side resistance right here. I'm not saying that it's going to happen today or tomorrow, but if you do see a break of about 285 on a 4-hour closure, then I would be looking for extension, pretty significant extension on this one, probably all the way up to, okay, I'm not going to say $400. If it is going to be $400, it's going to be like over the course of a couple weeks, but I'd probably be looking somewhere around like 350 or so on a continuation phase. This is a good setup though. Let's go check out momentum oscillators over here. What do we have? 4 hours going to be popping up with any sort of a closure above 283. So that would be the upside resolution. So keep that number in mind. Good confluence there. 12-hour will be 270 and daily will be 260 actually. So if it can maintain those closures, especially today or tomorrow, that would look pretty damn good. If that doesn't happen by today or tomorrow, I'd probably be looking for a correction first, presumably down to like 225, maybe even as low as 220, and come back to it after that. But hopefully that was helpful. A pretty impressive altcoin chart here.